For 2025, the Skoda Fabia is expected to feature a number of exciting new features. One of the major innovations anticipated is the launch of an electrified variant. With the increasing focus on sustainability, the 2025 model may offer a hybrid or even a fully electric version. This will provide a more environmentally friendly and fuel-efficient option, in line with the global automotive trend that is increasingly emphasizing sustainable mobility. Infotainment technology is also expected to undergo significant updates. The 2025 Fabia is likely to be equipped with a more advanced infotainment system, such as a larger touchscreen and a more responsive interface. Integration with the latest technologies, including virtual assistants and 5G connectivity features, will enhance the user experience and make the in-car entertainment system more connected and interactive. Safety features will be one of the main focuses of this model. The 2025 Fabia is expected to introduce the latest safety technologies such as blind spot detection, rear traffic monitoring and emergency braking assistance systems. With these improvements, the driver and passengers will be better protected, making the journey safer and more comfortable. Interior design and material quality are also likely to undergo updates. The 2025 Fabia is likely to feature more premium materials and additional comfort features such as a more efficient air conditioning system and more ergonomic seats. These updates will improve the comfort and quality of the driving experience, making it a more attractive option for consumers. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Skoda Fabia is expected to be in a competitive price range, with the standard variant likely to start at around $20,000 to $35,000. Pricing for the electrified or premium variants may be slightly higher, depending on the features and technologies offered. With a range of expected benefits, the 2025 Fabia is expected to offer excellent value for money in the small and compact car category.